Hi everybody, Broken Ebeez here. Welcome to today's video. So in today's video I will try and explain in simple layman's terms why thousands upon thousands of Windows users are coming over to Linux. Why indeed thousands upon thousands of Ubuntu based Linux users are coming over to CachyOS. Well, first of all, let's deal with the Microsoft Windows users. Why would you dump Microsoft Windows and come over to CachyOS? Well, first of all, boom, it's free. Boom, no telemetry. Boom, no spyware. Boom, no keylogging. Boom, no data hiving. Boom, no screenshotting. And boom, very shortly, absolutely zero monthly subscription fee. Why are Ubuntu users coming over to CachyOS? Boom, rolling release distro, install once, forget it, use forever. Boom, latest bleeding edge hardware and software. Boom, latest bleeding edge video drivers. Boom, super secure, super fast web browsing, social media, internet banking, internet shopping. Boom, super compatible, state of the art gaming. Boom, super secure. What more could you want? Oh yeah, I missed one. Boom, 100% free. Actually, I missed two. Boom, supported by the amazing CachyOS team and of course the wonderful open source community. Why are you still watching this video? Go to CachyOS, download the ISO, burn it to a USB thumb drive, boot your computer from it and try it. Make sure everything works and that your hardware is compatible. Boom, rip Windows off, put CachyOS on. Get the absolute maximum performance out your PC. This PC that you're looking at is 14 years old and it runs with CachyOS like a modern day PC. No need to take it to e-waste then. There you go everybody, CachyOS. Why are you still watching the video? Go download it. Whether you use Windows or an Ubuntu based distribution, install it, update it, put your drivers on it, put your software on it. Boom, you're done. Use forever. Absolutely outstanding. Thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thumb the videos up or down. I will see you for another wicked Broken Ebeez video.